if you don't have a collaborative software, you don't know how people are collaborating.
Yeah, exactly.
And right now, this data, not even OpenAI doesn't have this data. They don't know what people want to achieve together.
Yeah.
They know what people want to achieve
By themselves.
by themselves. Yeah.
Yeah, they did release a team plan. We
Yes.
were actually talking about it. We were anticipating it. We knew about it from way back. You were in San Francisco and you got some intel, if I can call it that it will be coming. We were actually worried about the launch of the team plan. Can you highlight how the OpenAI chat-GPT team plan differs from
Yeah, you
Team-GPT?
touched upon a very important topic that from the get-go we knew that ChatGPT is gonna make a team plan, and we still went for the idea because we knew we were not gonna make the same thing as them, and also there was this opportunity we grabbed it.
Yeah.
And then I went to San Francisco maybe 1 month after we started. I went to San Francisco. I go every 6 months for a couple of weeks, sometimes months. Now I'm going for 2-3 months. So yeah, but I was there, and then I met with everybody I could meet from OpenAI, Google, Anthropic, whoever I could find. Some of these people I knew from high school, others from later on in life. But I met with them and I asked them, where is this going? Tell me what is gonna happen in the next few months, in your opinion, in this realm. And I gathered information from everybody. With the ChatGPT for Teams, we were expecting this to come out in October, November.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually, we saw the API endpoints. They were already starting to work on the Teams, and we saw these Teams API endpoints in their API back in June, I believe. So we knew the pace at which they were going. But then Sam Altman got fired. A bunch of turbulence happened around OpenAI. Then they released all of these new avenues that they took on the OpenAI Dev Day. I was one of the invitees at OpenAI Dev Day. I was there, and I spoke to the team there as well. And my personal opinion on the topic is that OpenAI is so focused on AGI and on the race with Google, Anthropic, and the others on reaching AGI that they're just not putting enough effort into the ChatGPT for Teams product. When ChatGPT for Teams came out, it had two defining features. First, you could share the billing, so your company could pay for everybody. And second, they said you have to pay this one so we don't train on your data. And this is what they launched. I don't see this as a competitor product right now to what we are doing, collaboration, adoption, learning, and organization of knowledge. But I don't have any illusions that very soon they'll have a good product. So they will have a good product, but it will be a different one.
Yeah, that makes a lot of sense. I don't personally. I was quite relieved when they launched because they don't necessarily seem to be aiming to solve the collaboration issue, the adopting together issue, the working together issue. This seems like a revenue avenue for them, but not something that they have teams dedicated to develop that product, right? To create really the product behind it. It's more of a marketing. You're already individually in ChatGPT because a lot of people are using ChatGPT individually. They're also on the free plan. So it makes sense for them to introduce a team billing, they are, how's it called? They are packaging it as a team solution, but it's not really a team solution. They're focused much more on innovation, as you said. They're cutting edge, and this is not what they're gonna focus on.
They just can't help themselves. They want to be too cutting edge.
Yeah.
And but this is their job. They have to be at the cutting edge. Really, OpenAI, if they lose the edge, they lose their purpose. Because that's why they exist. They exist to be the forefront of technology.
Exactly. So they're developing the technology. They have some product that people can use the technology through, but they're not focusing that much on the product. That is what it seems to be happening currently. So I think it's the responsibility of teams like ours and products like ours to really solve specific pain points that users are having, companies, businesses are having with adopting AI.